Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to draw Angry Bird, the red character. Before we begin, make sure you subscribe. Let's start today's drawing by a big circle with a space on top of it, like this. Now draw two curved lines in here Let's add some tails. And for eyebrows, we need two broken lines. And do the same under it. A little line in here. Draw a triangle. Go left and right. And close it. And another one under it. And add a semicircular from here. Draw two circles for its eyes. And add two dots in them. Now we draw two ovals here. And let's cover these parts in black. And let's add eyeshadows around the eyes to make it look better. And it's done. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure to subscribe for more drawing videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.